In the currency quadrant, taking a look at the June yen futures contract, which looks like it may be forming a bit of a price action bottom after hitting the lowest level since April 16th of 2002. The yen may finally be bottoming. We saw a low today, 77.26. That wasn't even down a tenth of 1%, only 9 basis points versus yesterday's settlement of 77.33. On the high, we were up 1.09% at 78.17.5. And the settlement, we were up 1.02%, about 78.12. So again, since hitting that low of 76.21.5, that was on May 9th, the yen has moved up almost 2.5% in the last 7 sessions and got above 7,800 today for the first time since April 28th. Now, the Bank of Japan, the BOJ, is one of the reasons the yen has been so consistently weak, vowing to stick with monetary stimulus despite price pressures being sort of imported into the company with surging global commodity prices and the weakening yen. That boosts what we call cost push inflation, raising speculation among some investors that the BOJ might shift away from its current stimulus policy. The deputy, one of the deputies of the Bank of Japan, though, yesterday said that's not the case. They're sticking with it as they try to get to their 2% inflation target. All over the world, you're seeing economies and central banks having to deal with inflation well above that. Bank of Japan and the Japanese economy, not quite there yet. Bank of Japan says they're sticking with it, and that puts an overall weakness, even though, again, the yen may be bottoming as of the price action in the last 6 or 7 sessions. We've also had mixed economic data from Japan. In Japan, the tertiary index came in stronger than the prior month, but the Reuters Tankan Index was much weaker, and the industrial production figures came in negative at down 1.7% versus last month showing an uptick of 0.5%. So overall, a mixed picture, but maybe some short-term bottoming price action in the Japanese yen.